You always go back to yourself, Tony.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Grabe, nakaka-mind blown.
Na-shocks ako.
Paano yun?
Na-shock ako.
Hindi ako makahinga.
My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. I have a prediction for you for Tony.
Oh my God.
Mamaya mo na bubuksan yan. So Tony, I'm going to ask you to think of a time. Tony,
Okay, sir.
you are thinking of a time, correct?
Yes.
Sige. Meron akong envelope dyan. Can I have it, please? Yan, papakita natin sa camera. Tony, you could have thought of any random time in the world,
Yes.
correct? Ano ulit yung time mo?
7.
207?
207.
Sinulat kagabi.
Hala, pag yan! Oh my
Hala!
God!
Baka ma-mind blown ako.
Hala, oh
Hala.
my God.
Ladies and gentlemen, uy, 1407. Ano military time?
207, tama.
Tama,
yun.
207, 1407.
Oh my God!
Ang galang!
You know, you always go back to yourself, Tony.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! Grabe, nakaka-mind blown.
Na-shocks ako.
Paano yun?
Na-shock ako.
Hindi ako makahinga.
Picture tayo later with this.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Biglang hindi makahinga.
Paano mo yun alam?
Kaya nga, sir, ang galing.